Hey guys, for this video I have a ton of amazing deals to share with you. They are all Amazon deals and everything's going to be linked down below. We're starting out with this item, this flashlight. I made a community post last night because I wasn't sure I'd have time to do a video with the promo code still working. I checked the promo code right before starting this video. It is still working. You can still take advantage of this deal. The rechargeable flashlight, USB-C, 6 light modes, flat flashlight with the red beam. This is by Eaton Wolf, one of my favorite brands just because I love the name. But we've seen they normally make like jump starters, some little air duster guys. We've been really happy with their items in the past, and this flashlight's normally $15, on sale for $9.99, but then I have a 50% promo code right there. Click that, automatically copies it to the clipboard so you can paste it at the checkout screen on Amazon. It's going to be $4.99 and free shipping for the Prime members for a rechargeable flashlight. Couldn't beat that with a stick. The code does work on multiple quantities if you want to buy more than one. And at $4.99, even if you don't need a flashlight, why the hell not? It's $4.99. By the way, if you get to this video and it's not, promo code's dead, it's sold out, anything wrong with it, that's why you guys subscribe. You got to click the bell. Turn on all notifications so you're the first to know when new videos come out. And keep an eye on those community posts because like yesterday, sometimes I can do that, but I don't have time for a video. Also, I'm going to link down below the Get Notified page on my website. This box on the left-hand side can sign up for the email list. The email for today already went out to the people on the list. Made a huge update to how the email list goes out. It's much more functional. You'll like it now. Prices, pictures, everything. If you're in the email list but don't normally open the emails, open the damn email today, okay? And in the future days. All right, next, waterproof plant grow lights, 2-foot, 48-watt, 2-pack here. This is your full spectrum grow lights by Jess LED. Now, these start at $28, but we have a 50% promo code that's going to be $14 for two, $7 a piece. Individual switches on those guys. Included the promo code link. So when you click this link, it automatically applies the promo code to your Amazon account, but also different variations were available. There was a 4, 6, 8-pack of these lights, and you can get 50% off any of those. Again, full spectrum plant grow lights. Keep your plants healthy and happy and alive. Next up, the 2-pack LED night lights. Plug into wall night light. Dusk till dawn sensors. Dimmable. 3000K soft white. It's by J and Case. This one is a 2-pack as well. This little white oblong guy. Starts out at $9.99, but it is 50% off. Now, I included the link here as well because there are tons and tons of options when you click on this. If you need some night lights, but you don't want those night lights, check it out. They even had some what I would call novelty ones. I don't know if that's really the right term, but like Christmas tree night lights. I think there were some Halloween related ones. It was just a full page. They had, normal standard ones, then the kind of goofy holiday type ones. So if you need some night lights, there it is for you, 50% off. Got the One Gang non-metallic extra duty, whatever that means, weatherproof horizontal vertical. This is an outside outlet cover. One Gang. Was there a wrestler named like One Man Gang or something? I feel like that's a thing. I might be making it up. So this is by Tay Mac. Of course, this connects to your outside outlet so they are waterproof. Rain or something doesn't give you any problems. They could be mounted either way. Got this little door that opens up so you can sneak the cord out of there. Now, normally $15. If you go on Amazon or even go to your favorite hardware store and go look up outdoor covers like this, and you'll see that $15 is a pretty fair price for them. So $7.93 is a really good deal. But then there's a 11% coupon on the Amazon page. You click that little checkbox, and you're down to about $7. So really good. Maybe check your outside outlets. I bet you got one of these that is all faded and nasty looking, or maybe the hinge is broke, maybe the locking tab's broke. For $7, 5 minutes, you change it out. Looks nice and spiffy. Classing up the joint a little bit, you know what I mean? Next up, we got a 4-volt electric screwdriver, cordless, high torque, 4-level control, 2200 milliamp hour USB-C fast charging. Use that same charger as that flashlight you just bought. 25-piece steel bits by Tillswall. Love these little guys. High speed, low torque. Use it for that outlet cover that you just bought as well. Just cross-referencing all over the place here. Starts out at $45.99. Nice 41% promo code. They thought about going 40%, but then they They had to have second thoughts because that wouldn't get people through the door, so they threw in that extra 1% for you just to give you a kick in the ass. This is supposed to go through August 31st, 41% off. I think it's $25 or so after the discount. Rechargeable screwdriver. Got an OBD2 scanner, diagnostic tool, car code reader, check engine light reset by Ferronix. Kind of like that one. That's a good name. At least it's pronounceable. Got the I am readiness smog check. Boy, I'm glad we don't do smog check around here. Let's see. Voltage. Of course, it's going to read the codes, clear codes. I don't know what all it does. You'll have to look. $40 down to 50% off, making it $20. That is good for today and tomorrow only. You got 2 days to take advantage, $20. Now, if you look at Harbor Freight, they have some of their cheap-ass OBD2 scanners, and they are way too expensive. I was just looking at one yesterday. I think it was even with a coupon, and I was like, wow, this thing is not very good and way too much money. This one, much better and only $20. Scotch grade masking tape. Scotch contractor grade, that makes more sense. Masking tape. 540 yards. I'll learn how to read. 9 rolls. Now, it's not 960 anymore. I posted this yesterday. You can see the date right here. And it was $9.60. It's still good. It's crept up to $11.50 more than what it was. But still 9 rolls. It was $1 a piece, a little more than $1 a piece now. Your contractor grade masking tape, 9 rolls. Portable Bluetooth speaker, powerful stereo, 36-hour playtime, waterproof, 8 light modes. Before I forget, by the way, we did make another community post on those structural screws. Now, you may think that that promo code's not working or that I linked to the wrong thing because sometimes people bring that up. The original item that I linked to actually sold out already, and so Amazon automatically redirects to a different variation on that page. So the link was right, it's just the item was sold out. Now the problem is, the promo code may very well work for other variations on that page, but I don't have access to the promo code link like I've showed you in some of the earlier deals, so I can't see exactly what it applies to, and I'm not going to sit here and try every single thing on the page. So you're welcome to try the different ones on the page to see if the promo code will work for others. It usually works for several, but I don't know. Back to the Bluetooth speaker. Let's see, 36-hour playtime. 8 light modes. Let's just see if it showed like a wattage or anything. I'm blind or it doesn't say it. $29.99, 57% off. So 50% off to make it $15. That extra 7 is going to be less than $15, about 7% less. 812 have about a week to take advantage of that, but under $15 for your rechargeable Bluetooth speaker by Portbore. CC, one of our favorite brands. Lots of amazing deals from these guys. Here we have the glass suction cups, tile suction cup tool, aluminum handles, $200 max load, heavy duty vacuum lifters. Getting the 2-pack there, little lever action. Some of them are pump styles. You pump it up. This one's going to be a lever style. $25.98, 50% off. It's going to be $12.99 for the two, about $6.50 a piece. Picking up your mirrors, your big-ass tiles, other flip countertops. It's another common use for that. You could probably pull a dent with it, although it might have to be a big-ass dent. Updated the deals for the Pins Park brand page, so we don't need to go through all those, but I will have it linked down below. If you need to get yourself a spiffy new shirt, a lot of these deals usually are 40 or 50% off, so really good savings. Of course, any of these will work on different colors and different sizes. So if you see a style you like, but you want a different color or something, that should be available for you. Got a desk fan. 90-degree oscillating fan, 6,000 milliamp hour rechargeable, 10 speeds, 4-hour timer, 270-degree tilt. Ultra quiet personal fan by Age U. Now make sure to look in the listing and see what the dimensions of this guy are, because sometimes the pictures can be a little deceiving on how big of a fan this is. I'm guessing pretty small, so just be aware of that. Keep an eye on it. Rechargeable built-in battery, up to 24-hour runtime. It's got to be on low. Normally $19.99. We have a 50% promo code going through the end of the month. It's only going to be $9.99. Got the cool little screen on there. I like that too. wonder if you could put like glue a magnet to the bottom of it and make it a magnetic desk fan. Slap it on the side of a toolbox or something. I don't know. Craftsman ratcheting screwdriver set, 26-piece set, getting all the bits, the ratcheting driver. Looks like we can get a little magnet there. And the zip up case. It's going to be $15.99 on Amazon. Of course, free shipping for the Prime members. And Acme Tool sells it for $25, so it's $10 more, but they also charge you $6 for shipping, so it's really $16 more if you bought it from Acme. AAA batteries, one I had to pick up myself. The 36-pack of AAA alkaline batteries, 10-year leak-proof shelf life by King Cell. Look at all those reviews. Almost 3,000 reviews, 4.5 out of 5 championship belts. 36 batteries. Now, it's normally $9.99, but we have a 40% promo code. It's going to be $5.99, free shipping for Prime members. Going through the 16th, that is $5.99 for 36 batteries. I don't know what that is per piece, but it's cheap. And that's why I bought it. One more apparel deal for you. We got the men's American flag t-shirt by Keshi Han. Most American name I've said all night. Day. It's noon. So you got the distressed American flag there. Now this one's listed as navy, although it looks pretty dark to me. There was 3 different colors, black, navy, and was it tan or green? Something like that. This one's $14.99 and then 50% off. Other sizes were $19.99, other sizes, other colors, so depending on what you're getting, you may save yourself $5 more, otherwise you might be stuck at the $19.99. But either way, you're getting 50% off, and this link right here gives you all the different colors and sizes that are available for the shirt. Cardboard cutter, rechargeable cordless electric scissors, 4-volt upgrade motor, electric box cutter, 2-blade safety lock LED light by Solilware. Love these little cardboard cutter guys. I have a skill one that's probably 15 years old by now. Used to use it every single day. Not so much not so much anymore, but still a really good tool. Bought that new one that we posted a couple of months ago that was a different brand. That one's been real nice too. Getting so many Amazon boxes, always cutting them up. Got to get them to fit in the trash can. They can't take up too much space. Starts out at $29.99, but it's 43% off. They could have made it 50% off, but that would have been easy math for me. So I said, let's screw with them a little bit. See if you can figure out what 43% is. I cannot. I will not even try. It's more than 15. I mean, the final price is more than 15, not the discount. It's going to go through the 13th of August, a little more than $15 for your cardboard cutter. Probably works good for like carpet too. I always wanted to try it with carpet, but there's no carpet here, so I can't. Let me cut your carpet. 3-channel dash cam, 4K, 2.5K front, inside, rear by, not by Starvis. Starvis 2 night vision dash cam, Wi-Fi app control. I think that's the, is that related to Sony? I don't think so. Wi-Fi app control, GPS, 64 gigabyte card included by Ivigja. So 3-channel, you have a forward-facing typical dash cam. You have one inside the cabin, inside the car, so you can see the people in the back seat playing grab ass or whatever behind your back. And then you have a rear-facing one, so when you get rear-ended, you can see that as well. Comes with the SD card. Love the app-controlled ones. $99.99, 30% off, takes $30 off. It's going to be $69.99 going through the 16th. Again, 3-channel. Got a rooftop strobe light bar with control panel, 42 LED hazard warning, emergency flashing plow light by Xprite. Thought this was really cool. Probably like 5 years ago, we had a deal on a very similar item, and it was a magnetic rooftop strobe light, and I bought it. And then I bought the Jeep, which has a rag top, a soft folding top. And I just bought a magnetic rooftop light. Haven't used it much, but I think it's really cool. Fun. Maybe just a novelty, but fun, okay? And this one's normally $43 down to $21.49 No promo code, no coupon, just a nice healthy sale price, half off, $21. That's $21 worth of fun for sure. I want to show you the Harbor Freight coupons. Just posted about 80 new coupons on the website. We're not going to go through all of them. Maybe we'll do a separate video sometime on these latest coupons. But we got the little scroller here so you can go through all of the latest Harbor Freighters. These go through the 16th. Just posted these a day or two ago. But 86 new Harbor Freight coupons for you to check out. See if there's anything you can't live without. So that's it for the latest deals, guys. Really good stuff. I'm hoping those flashlights last for a while because at $4.99 rechargeable flashlight, I mean, that's stupid good deal, especially when it's a brand that we've seen before and that we like and has been good quality. So thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.